How to upload files to ChatGPT. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. You can see over here clearly that on ChatGPT there is no add file option. So there is a workaround. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open a new tab in your Chrome browser, and if you're using a different browser, the steps will be similar. You are going to locate your extensions. So on Chrome browser, up at the top right hand side, you've got your three dots. You're going to now navigate down to extensions, and you're going to go into Visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you have opened this, you'll have the opportunity to search for an extension. So you're going to go ahead, tap on the extensions on the left-hand side over here, and in the extension search bar on the right-hand side, you're going to go ahead and tap in ChatGPT File Uploader, and we're going to hit enter. Now, there will be quite a few options, and I'm sure quite a few of them work well, but I am familiar with the ChatGPT file uploader, and it's a logo of a little robot reading a book, is what it seems. And we're going to go ahead, tap on that, and you're going to go ahead, of course, and tap on Add to Chrome. And over here, you're going to tap on Add Extension. Now, on the right hand side, you can see that it has started to upload, and in just a few moments, it will be ready to use. You can see now that it says it's been added to Chrome. We're going to close that. We're going to go back into our ChatGPT page, and as you can see, nothing has changed. But if you go up to the top left, refresh your page, you will now see that there is a submit file underneath your chat box. And once you tap on submit file, you can literally go ahead and you can add any type of file you'd like. I have just got this sample cover letter. I'm going to tap on open. As you can see here, it literally puts this cover letter into the chat, and now it has started to respond. And there you can see this entire cover letter is now being entered and sent to ChatGPT. If you want to know more about extensions, you can click up over here. Cheerio for now.